y'all, and welcome back to another video. We're on day 6. We're halfway there. I've really been enjoying this, and thank y'all to the ones that's been watching every last of my video. Like, I'm surprised it's doing what it's doing now. Like, the views, I'm like, okay, I got some people sticking riding with me. And thank you for coming as well. That means a lot. So I'm not gonna say too much on this video, but yeah, she got dang near Porosity hair and it's low porosity. So like y'all mentioned, low porosity means that it's hard to absorb moisture on like right off the spot. It's hard. Like you could put it, look like when you put moisture on your hair, it just sit right on top. So that's what low porosity go through. It's hard for the product or anything to penetrate in the strands. So yeah, I had my work cut out for me, but I really enjoyed doing this, of course, and I really enjoyed her. So y'all enjoy the rest of the video.
I'm lost. And although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. I've come to terms over you. And although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. But I am outplayed, but I don't mind, no, that I got outplayed, 'cause I'ma need an upgrade. But I am outplayed, but I don't mind, no, that I got outplayed, 'cause I'ma need an upgrade, yeah. But I don't mind, no, 'cause I'ma need an upgrade. Outplayed, outplayed, 'cause I'ma need an upgrade.
Oh, we're living in the present, but our mind is in the past. Not knowing what we'll lose, don't know what will last. Yeah, the things you always dare to dream, are not always what they seem. Close to total peace as the pain begins to ease. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it wastes a time, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. Start living for the moment, letting go of the past. Yeah, start cherishing what you hold dear, and we will make it last. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it wastes time, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine, fine. Yeah. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine, fine. Baby, you'll be fine. See me now, why don't you hear me out? Can't you see what we're about? I see you at my door,